Meet the 10th Gen Trident series gaming desktops. The console-sized powerhouses are the perfect solution for gamers on the go who want the best performance at any occasion. The Trident series are powered by the latest Intel Core processors with a 30% boost in performance, making sure you can enjoy gaming and multitasking at the highest performance. The Trident series are also equipped with the latest full-size GeForce RTX 20 series graphics for blazing fast gaming performance and lifelike visuals for more immersion. Silent storm cooling separates the CPU, GPU and power supply with optimized airflow, making sure your system stays cool at maximum performance. The CPU chamber even has extra space in the footing with extra fans for even better heat dissipation. Thunderbolt is also present and is faster than ever, with a transfer speed of 40 gigabit per second. Also enjoy 3 times faster charging than before and benefit from the DisplayPort function. Internet connectivities are even better now with improved speed and latency, and to complete the package, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth are also at your disposal. With future upgrades in mind, the Trident's user-friendly internal design makes it easy to access the memory, GPU and storage. And you can fully customize your RGB lighting utilizing MSI's Mystic Light for improved aesthetics. For your convenience, here are the main differences between the Tridents. Want to know more? For all other features and information, please go check out the product page, and thanks for watching.
Higher resolutions, faster frame rates, more processing power. The best gaming experience, hands down, is on PC. This is Vengeance, a powerful gaming PC from Corsair, built to step up your game and play anything. Powered by Corsair's greatest and most reliable components, working together in harmony and controlled by iCUE software. Vengeance is designed to be small and mighty, with super fast multi-core Intel processors and NVIDIA's incredible graphics horsepower. Every Vengeance gaming PC is built for speed. We've included an award-winning RGB mouse and keyboard in the box, so you can start gaming on day one. Corsair's Vengeance gaming PC. Step up your game.
Meet the brand new Infinite series gaming rigs which dominate all your gaming needs. The new Infinite models are powered by the latest 10th Gen Intel processors for unparalleled processing power with the highest performance. Crank up your FPS and game quality with NVIDIA's latest RTX series graphics. This means a smooth gaming experience and lifelike visuals using ray tracing. The models have separated cooling chambers using silent flow cooling to maximize cooling capabilities. Going even beyond, it uses a brand new silent and powerful liquid cooling for the CPU. To guarantee the fastest storage speed, the Infinite series also has space for 2 M.2 SSD slots to cover just that. Load your game faster than your opponents. The HIMIC and audio boost are on board, letting you experience true hi-fi sound. Enjoy the advantage over your enemies in-game. Dragon Center is also present to let you monitor the hardware, optimize performance and much more. The Infinite models are also an eye-catcher equipped with fully customizable Mystic Light. And when you're on the move, the handle takes care of just that. Want to know more? For all other features and information, please go check out the product page, and thanks for watching.